The Neath Talbot Innovation Exchange Forum has been set up as part of the Community Renewal Fund to help grow businesses through innovation, jobs, upskilling and collaboration. Through our podcast series, we've been finding out how this fund and this forum is helping local businesses within Neath Talbot.
I think this is a really important point, though, about the local area here. The engineering knowledge and base and skills here is really, really strong. At the previous company I worked for, we were a welding fabrication company with building products. Finding engineers for the factory was an absolute nightmare and something they continually struggled with. We found here that recruiting for engineering roles, particularly welding fabrication, we never had a problem with it. And it's really a massive factor actually in helping us grow, because that's part of the business that just has to grow as the organisation grows. We need more staff to build product, and we're very fortunate that struggle in some other areas, but I think most companies do struggle with staff, just finding people in certain roles. But when it comes to guys who do the cold-face work, building our products, we've been very fortunate, and I think that the area is a big part of that.
It's about engagement with our schools and colleges as well. It's not as if we're going to have a complete revolution of new things that have never been thought about, but there are some new techniques, new challenges that we need to modify our curricula to ensure that people are learning the right thing and that the workforce for the future are equipped properly in the region. Again, that's part of the activity that we've got within South Wales Industrial Cluster, engaging with education at all levels, obviously covered in terms of the higher education institutions because we're directly engaged, but also working with partner colleges and looking at how we might shape future apprenticeship programs, lifelong learning type programs as well, so that we equip the workforce to accommodate this decarbonisation change.
So we know where we're going as an organisation, but how are we going to get there? What skills are going to be required? And in terms of experience and actual learning new skills, so particularly with tech adaptation and moving forward and making sure that we're current, we're having to revisit that all the time. And in fact, we're just conducting an exercise at the moment where we ask them, what do they feel that they will need, bearing in mind the vision of the business for the next 5 years? How do they feel they're going to play a part in that? Where do they see themselves going? Where would they like to be? And what can we do to support them in order to enable them to get there? So we're truly looking at investing in whatever is needed to ensure that we're future-proofed, not just as a business, but also vitally the people within it.